Playlist schedule. Now we come to playlist schedule, which is the most important part for scheduling playlists by date and time. At the top, I select the playlist that I want to schedule. Here, I select Grey Hulk. The date is already set to 7th February, and now I set the time to 11 am. After selecting the time, I click Schedule. You can see that the Grey Hulk movie is now scheduled at 11 am. Next, I select another movie. I choose Action Movie, and from that, I select The Mummy. You can set the date as required. Here it is 7th February. After selecting the movie, I set the time to 17 hours, which is 5 pm, and then I schedule it. As soon as I add it, you can see that Mummy 2 is scheduled at 5 pm. Now I schedule religious songs for the 8th February, which is the next day. And I set the time to 10 am in the morning, and then I schedule them. After scheduling, you can see the entry on the calendar for 8th February at 10 am. Next, I select another playlist, Guru Randhawa songs, and I want to play it after the religious songs end. For this, I simply click Schedule at End. This automatically schedules the playlist at the end time of the last scheduled playlist, which is the religious songs. Now, I click on Schedule to view all schedules in table view. Here, you can see the playlist name, start time, duration, end time, and end time with breaks included. You can select schedules and delete multiple entries if required. The live tag shows the schedule currently playing, green indicates upcoming schedules, and yellow shows past schedules. On the right, you can see the month view of the schedule. You can switch to the week view and also to the day view where the full day from 0 to 24 hours is visible with all scheduled timings. Finally, I switch back to the month view where you can see all schedules arranged by date in the calendar.